everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset API key in Toggl. If you need to reset your API key in Toggl for security or integration issues, I'll show you how to regenerate your API key quickly and safely. So start by opening Toggl in your browser. Now make sure you log into your account. Now click your profile icon at the bottom left corner. Then select Profile Settings. Now once you're in here, scroll down until you see the API token or API key section. Now this is what's used to connect Toggl with other tools. Once you're in here, click Reset API Token or Reset at the right side and click on Reset to confirm the action. Now your old key will stop working immediately. Once generated, copy your new API key. Make sure to update it in apps, integrations, and scripts. Now, after resetting, all integrations will break until updated. Keep your API key private and don't share it publicly. If something stops working after reset, double check where your old API key was and replace it there. And that's how you can reset your API key in Toggl. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.